Hi everyone, it's Christine from the Canadian Schoolhouse, and today I'm going to show you how to make the gift box ornament with our template. So you can print on regular paper, computer paper, or you can print on a cardstock. You can use different colors if you like, or a pattern one. So what I did, I chose this really shiny, Christmassy looking one, and I printed the template on the back of it. So if you wanted to do it that way, just measure 8.5 by 11 and then stick it in your printer, and hopefully your printer can handle the cardstock, and then you'll have a nice already gift wrap looking paper. If not, you can use plain paper, and you can decorate it with whatever you like. You can use markers, crayons, paint, glitter, glue, stickers, whatever your kids like to use, you can use on that. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out my template. Okay, so now you've got our template, and you're going to see your dotted lines. So you're going to fold inward on all the dotted lines so you can get some flaps for your boxes. So, and make sure to crease them as best you can. If you've got a scoring tool, you can use that to help get your creases. If you're using cardstock, for sure. And cardstock will just help your box be a little more sturdy than regular computer paper, but regular computer paper will be easier for little hands to fold. So just keep that in mind. If you're going to use cardstock with the little ones, you might have to help them with the folding. Okay, so now that you've folded along the dotted lines, so it should look like that. So now we're gonna actually attach our pieces together so it actually looks like a box. So on top of the little flaps, you're gonna make sure they tuck in, and then you can use glue. I like to use double-sided tape, so that's what I'm gonna use. So I'm just gonna put them on top of these pieces here, and then stick them together so my box comes together like that. Okay, so I'm going to start sticking my pieces together. So you can start at the bottom, which is this piece here, and attach it to the center. So we're going to do it like that. I'm just going to take off my tape. There we go. So just fold it in and stick. And make sure you want to make sure these sides are, while it's slightly open, you want to make sure they're stuck on. And then let's do the top piece for the other side. There we go. Just going to bring this back so it's not in my way. Give it a good press and do the other side. Give it a good press. There we go. So now we got our box. So now we're just going to stick the top on. Now, if you really wanted to be creative, you could stick a little something in there if you wanted to. But if it's just for hanging on the tree, you can leave it empty. Okay, so we're just gonna close our box and give it a little. This part is a little bit tricky because it wants to pop back open, but if you tie a ribbon on top, it should be fine. But there we go. Our box is all done. So what you can do now if you used regular paper or just a plain sort of colored paper, you can go ahead and decorate it, add your glitter on top or stickers, or just draw a little something on it. And then take a piece of ribbon, and you can get a little fancy. You could even stick one of those stick-on bows if you got a little one. Whatever you like. Just gonna center that there. And there we go. There you go. So, and all that's left now is to add your string. So you just put a little string on the top there, and then you can hang it on your tree. And you can make more than one, depending on how much time you have. And if all of your kids make one, then you can have a few for your tree, and then it'll be a good reminder of the gift of Christmas. Hopefully you got a chance to read that article. If not, hop onto the Canadian Schoolhouse and look up the article, The Gift of Christmas. And hope this was an easy craft for you to do. Hope you enjoy. Merry Christmas!